going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be doing some interior mods to my Honda Civic Si. I'm really excited. So here we have my FG2 Civic Si. Recently I've acquired a couple of new parts for it that I haven't put on the car yet. So again, really excited to get this Civic Si build started. If any of you guys are 8th gen Honda Civic fans, make sure to leave a thumbs up. So for today, we'll actually be working on some interior mods. So far for the interior, it is stock. You can see stock SI seats, stock shifter, stock shift knob, shift boot, stock steering wheel, stock stereo. Everything's pretty much stock here. I think the only aftermarket thing I've put on is this wide angle Broadway mirror. And when I bought the car, the previous owner also put on this red Honda badge, but that's about it. Interior is pretty stock. Usually I like to work on the exterior of the car first. I also got some mods for the rear, but that should be coming in maybe in a few weeks. For right now, like I said, I decided to start on some interior mods, pretty small interior mods. Like I said, really excited. So I like modifying the outside of the car because it looks great. But as a driver, when you drive the car, you're really spending more time in the interior of the car. So you definitely want to beautify the interior of the car as well. And if you guys watched a few videos back, I was talking to you guys about shift knobs. So this spoon shift knob over here was gifted to me by one of my subscribers, Joe. Thank you so much. Really excited. This is the Spoon Sports Duracon shift knob. I also wanted to show you guys some other shift knobs that I have. I also have a Various shift knob. I bought this for a Mitsubishi build I haven't put on yet. So this is a Various carbon fiber shift knob. I believe this is the version 2, I want to say. It's really nice, beautiful. Like I said, beautiful carbon fiber weave. And then I also got the Chasing J's titanium shift knob that my girl got me on my birthday. So initially I was debating on putting either of this shift knob on my Mitsubishi build. I have a lot of carbon fiber around the car. That's why I was thinking of the Various carbon fiber shift knob. But I also have a lot of titanium in my engine bay now. I don't have any titanium in the interior, so I wasn't sure if I wanted to put that on. So yeah, I have 3 shift knobs. Technically I have 3 cars, so I might be able to put it on one each. But I decided I'm going to keep this with Mitsubishi, so that's not going on my Civic Si. And then I was debating on whether I should put this shift knob on to this car, but I don't have any titanium bits, so I might actually not put it on this car. I really want to put the Spoon Sports one on, because if you guys know the brand Spoon, it is a great Honda brand. Again, this is the Spoon Sports Duracon shift knob, if any of you guys are wondering. JDM brand from Japan. Super awesome. I can't wait to throw this on. I also have a shift boot that one of my buddies, Jared, got me. It's a Bright shift boot. He took it off his right hand drive S14 240SX. I'm not sure if I want to pair it with the Duracon shift knob, Spoon's Duracon shift knob like that, or the shift knob. I can't wait. I think I'll just go ahead and throw on this shift knob first and see how I like it. I'm not sure if I want to put the shift boot on, but if I do, I might put the Bright one on the Civic Si. Okay, so I'm in the interior of my Civic Si. Let me show you guys the stock shift knob. So again, not too bad. You can see a little bit of wear over here over the years, but shift knob feels pretty good. Shifts in the gear perfectly. Everything works well. Only thing is you can see a little bit of wear over time, a little bit of scuffing. Again, it's not going to be a show car or anything, but I can pass up putting up some Spoon Sport parts. Super awesome. So let me go ahead and take off the OEM shift knob first, and yeah, compare it to the Spoon Sport shift knob. Okay, so first things first, to remove the shift knob, there's this little knob right here. There's a little bolt right here, right beneath the shift knob. So you need to remove that first. If you have these wrenches, is a 14mm. If you don't have it, that's fine. You can use an adjustable wrench just like this. That works as well. what you want to do is, let me place my camera here. Pretty easy process to take it off, but I just wanted to show you guys to document this process. So you want to have one hand on the shift knob, your wrench right here, hold it down and turn it clockwise. So if it's your first time taking it off, it might be kind of hard. So I already went ahead and loosen it so you can kind of feel your shift knob turn freely. Alright, now on to the actual step of removing the shift knob. What you want to do is have your wrench right here, your 14mm wrench, hold it in place while you twist this shift knob anti-clockwise. Just turning it anti-clockwise, just like so. What that bolt is for is to hold it there in place. So yeah, there you have it. Shift knob is out. I'm just going to go ahead and compare it real quick with the new Spoon Sport shift knob before throwing it on. So here's a better view of the nut holding it down in place. So when I'm driving, you can't really tell, but this shift knob is actually pretty heavy. It's actually a weighted shift knob, which is great. Let me go ahead and take off the shift knob, the Spoon Sport shift knob, to compare it. Like I said, big thank you to Joe, one of our subscribers. If you're watching this, again, big thank you. This is used, so the sticker is already on. When you buy it brand new, usually the sticker is separate. You go ahead and put it on first. But if I were to compare the shift knobs side by side, you can see that the Spoon Sport shift knob is smaller in diameter compared to the OEM one. Also not as heavy. So some people like a good weighted shift knob. I want to say this is a lot heavier. And then for the Spoon Sport shift knob, one thing I realized, there's also this little thing right here. You need to use an Allen key to get to that. So I have my bunch of Allen keys here. So let me go ahead and unscrew that before throwing it on. Okay, so to throw on the Spoon Sport shift knob, really easy. All you have to do is just put it on here. Go ahead and turn it clockwise to tighten it. Like I said, usually you turn it till it's tight enough, and then you put the sticker. In this case, since the sticker is already on, I want to make sure that everything's good. So I want to make sure that is facing me. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it such that it's tight enough, and then just backtrack a little bit so that I can see all the words first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth gear facing me. I don't want it to be like that, so make sure it's aligned nice. And then for the Spoon Sport shift knob, you do have to use that Allen key, like I said. So go ahead and tighten it down first before we tighten down that nut as well. Alright, so now that you have everything in place, all you want to do is grab your wrench again, go ahead and hold on your shift knob and tighten it. To tighten it, you just turn it anti-clockwise. Just give it a nice little twist. You don't want to strip it, so just do it, but not too hard. And there you have it. I think it looks great. Let me go ahead and show you guys a few cinematic clips of the shift knob, and then I also want to go ahead and shift it, roll through the gears, and see how it compares to the OEM shift knob. So stoked. Spoon Sport shift knob looks amazing. Let me go ahead and roll through the gears. Oh, feels very different. So it's not as weighted. Like I said, the shift knob I had previously had more weight to it, but this is longer. So let me show you guys. You can see that the OEM one is shorter, so you know, it's kind of smaller versus this one. I could shift it like that, I could shift it like that. I know everyone has a different way to roll through the gears, but I love it. Also, one other awesome thing is the whole design of the shift knob, black and red. The whole theme of my car on the Civic SI build is black and red as well. As you can tell, bunch of black and red goodies, whether it's the front of the car, even down to my wheels. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, super awesome. I do have more stuff coming for the FG2 Civic SI, so really excited. Any of you guys who are Civic SI fans, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, just because I am just getting started on this build. I miss my Civic. I had a 6th gen Civic Coupe, not the SI, the Civic EX, so not an EM1. It would be awesome if I had an EM1. Pretty much you can call it like an EM1 clone. Great car, but eventually I sold it to one of the fellow subscribers, and I'm just glad to be back in a Civic Coupe again, you know, after I want to say like 2 years. So super awesome platform. Yeah, but back to the shift knob. Great at, what do you guys think? Should I change out the shift boot to the bright one or keep this leather shift boot? I actually kind of like this look, just because black and red shift knob, black and red leather stitching, black and red stitching on the chair, so really goes with the whole theme. So I really like it. I might just keep it this way. Who knows, maybe I can keep the bright shift knob for a different car in the future. I think it would only be appropriate if I have a bunch of bright stuff like bright bucket seats before I throw on the bright shift knob. Since I still have these SI seats, I don't think I'm gonna be doing that anytime soon. But yeah, if you guys stay to the end of the Spoon Sport shift knob, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I actually have another interior part that I want to show you guys. Maybe I should give you guys a quick little sneak peek so you guys can expect this install in a future video. Alright, so Spoon Sport shift knob all done. I'm outside the car. Now you guys can see why I like the black and red theme. So car is white, but as you can tell, a lot of black and red accents around the car. I want to give you guys a sneak little preview of what you guys can expect in a future video, but like I said, awesome little addition to the interior. We have more interior mods that will be coming really soon. So let me show you guys a sneak little preview, and really rare part, this is all you get. If you know, you know. I'm going to end the video here. Again, if you guys like the install, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel because a bunch more content coming. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.